Okay folks, this is inertial eggs. So for this challenge, you will need an egg. Now it's up to you if you want to hard boil an egg as well. I'm not going to for this first bit, but let's have a look at it together. So spin each egg, as I say, if you've only done one, then you don't need to do both of them. Leave it spin for a few seconds, stop it and see what happens. So let's have a little look. Now, if you've made pancakes with me, you might remember this one. So let's see. So I'm going to spin this egg. Now the question is this hard boiled or is it a runny egg? How do I find out? Does anyone remember? Hopefully somebody does, but I'm going to show you now in case you don't. So stop it, let go, and it keeps on going. So what does that tell us if I come this way a little bit? So spin it, stop it, let go, keeps on going. I can tell you if that was a hard-boiled egg, it would not do that. And the reason is, inside the egg, it's all liquid and runny, isn't it? You've got all the, there we go, all the middle parts moving around. And when you stop it, that middle, or the liquid center, keeps on spinning. It has something called inertia. So it wants to keep on going. If you do this with a hard-boiled egg, in other words a solid one, when you stop it, it won't continue. It will just sit like that. And it's because it doesn't have that liquid that moves, and it doesn't have that same amount of inertia. If I just go back to the example here, I'll make this a bit bigger. So when you think about, in mechanics, if you think about something called a flywheel, your car relies on inertia very, very much. So it has a large wheel that spins around that's connected to the engine. And that has a lot of inertia. In other words, it doesn't want to stop spinning. So that's very useful. So engineers use this principle of inertia in lots and lots of things. So that is how you find out whether a center of an egg is runny or not. And that is a little bit about inertia. If you'd like to know a little bit more, have a look and see if you can find out some other things on the internet that might be mechanical that use inertia. Can you think of anything else? Perhaps somebody on a bicycle? Maybe something that relies on not falling over. Have a little look. Feel free to message if you have any more questions.